changes. So come and give me a taste of what it's like to be next to you. Won't let them drop, go to waste. Your metaphorical changes. So let the doubts and the uppers keep making love to each other, and I'm trying. So let the downs and the uppers keep making love to each other, and I'm trying. Can't keep my hands to myself. Keep making love to each other, and I'm trying. So the doubts and the uppers keep making love to each other, and I'm trying. Can't keep my hands to myself.
Sa ibang projects nyo?
Wala naman nagbago. Pero syempre, di ba, pag kunyari umaga yung call time mo, bakit pinantangan pa ka ng set, gano'n kasi inaanto ka, puyat ka. Pero ngayon, gigising ka ng umaga, excited ka pumunta sa set. Di ba magalit yung stage, pinapalo?
Oh, excited daw pumunta sa set.
Excited pumunta ng stage. Pumunta ng stage. Pumunta ng set! Kasi!
Malay mo na dito si James sa stage mamaya.
Oh, alam mo yun, talagang iba yung suporta niya.
Sa pangkabuuan, kumusta ang puso mo?
Pinagpapawisan naman ako sa mga tinatanong mo.
Sa pangkabuuan, kumusta ang puso mo bilang pusong nagmamahal?
Okay, ayan!
May mga balikbayan boxes na pamimigay na.
Ayan, babamigay na po namin ngayon. Maraming salamat po. As you know, after one, natatakbo na po sa Alabang. So, sa mga nagbabalak po na pumunta dyan, magkita-kita din po tayo later.
Ayan. Once again, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Flawless You, thank you, Nadine. Mamaya may meet and greet po tayo sa 20 selected fans. Pwede po ba siyang mag-firma dito ngayon? Pero
I just want to say congratulations on your endorsement. Really proud of you, of course. And have fun there. I wish I was there with you.